Hello, I have 3 broken Volta charging cables. There's two 2 meters and one 1 meter that don't work anymore after I plug them into these 45 60 watt and 45 watt power delivery chargers. I have other cables that work. For instance, this one works, and I did not plug it into the anchors. I did not, so this one still works. These don't work anymore, but the light still comes on. You'll see that the light will still come on. So starting with the working cable, this one's the one that works. And the light, yep, this one's a working cable. So now to the bad cable, or cables. So this one works. It's not going on for me. So this is a 2 meter cable. I'm going to test to see if this works. This one I know doesn't work. Here is the 2 meter cable. So the light comes on, but no, it's not charging. It's not charging. Nothing here either. This one on the iPad Pro, it blinks. Actually, that's from me touching the screen, but it's not actually charging. But on the iPad Pro, the LED blinks. So this is the 2 meter, 2 meter that doesn't work. That's the one that works. This is the one that's broken. And 2 others, these don't work either. There is a 1 meter. This is a 1 meter cable. So short cable. And let's see what happens here. Same thing. And also, oh, I'm confused. This one is confusing me. This one appears to be charging. It doesn't charge the phone though. Very weird. This is one of the broken ones for sure. It's just weird that it's charging an iPad, but it's not charging the phone. Let me try the good one again. So this one's the bad short one. Yeah, I'm bringing out the good short one. So this is the one that should work. Yeah, this one's the one that just instant. It's the way I'm used to. This one's the good one. So yeah, the other short one's bad. And here's another 2 meter, so this is another long one. And it shouldn't work either. This one's doing the blinking. So it looks like on the 2 meters. The 2 meters blink. Neither charge the iPad. Neither charge the phone. The broken 1 meter charges the iPad, but it doesn't charge the phone. So there's something going on. Again, it's plugging in. These are GAN chargers. This is a 60 watt 2-port power delivery. 60 watt 2-port power delivery. Oh no, this one's the 2-port 40 watt, not power delivery. This one's a, here it is, 2-port 60 watt power delivery. This is the one that broke those 3 cables, I think. Which, I mean, both should support it. It's a max of 60 watts, and when both ports are in use, it's only 30 watts each. So I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, if you guys can help me out, I really need some cables. Thank you.